Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a quick tune-up report for you today on the Uniden Pro-520XL. This is for Christopher in North Carolina. Alright, Christopher. Start right up here. I got 10 watts on the top scale there. My key that might be coming at 6. And on this one, 50 watts is the top scale right there. We'll be coming closer to this 30 mark. Audio, check. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Audio. All right. Let's see it, take it out on the air a bit. Yeah, Breaker 1 for radio check.
No radio check.
Is this radio sound okay out there? Hello, Breaker.
Yeah, that radio sounds fine. I'm proud.
I appreciate it, driver. Have a good day.
You too.